There's a lot of common mistakes that shippers make when it comes to their transportation network. Let's talk about 3 of them. Number 1, always choosing the cheapest freight shipping option. When shippers send out freight for bid, they get a lot of rates back from their entire network. Some of those rates come in significantly lower than the others. Why is this? You want to make sure that the carrier you're going with understands what they're providing with the rate that they provide. If a rate seems too good to be true, it oftentimes is. Hidden behind those cheap rates are the fees that come from delays, missed pickups, damaged product, and a dissatisfied end receiver. Number 2, not providing all the details about the shipment. When a carrier books a load, they need to know all the basics of the shipment: the length, the width, the height, the weight, what it is, and its value. Shippers sometimes make the mistake of not providing all this information, and it can lead to you getting an insufficient rate or a misquoted shipment. Some other items that you want to make sure that your carrier has are pickup dates, times, and addresses, delivery dates, times, and addresses, and any other specific requirements you have in regards to your cargo. Number 3, not properly vetting new providers. When new providers show interest in being a part of your transportation network, it's important to do your due diligence and make sure they're the right ones for you. Just because a provider has a nice email signature and a fancy website does not mean they will be able to provide the service that you are seeking. When reviewing new providers, you want to make sure of a few things. You want to know what their safety scores are, what their on-time pickup percentage is, what their on-time delivery percentage is, and the size and age of their fleet. And for brokerages, you want to know how they vet the carriers that they have in their network. All of this will lead to a successful transportation network and a happy end customer. You may be thinking to yourself, this is a lot of information. Where would I even find the answers to these questions? It's so much work. And you'd be wrong. We created a freight carrier selection checklist for you to check out, and it's going to simplify the entire process for you. And the best part about it, it's free to download, and you can find it in the description below. So do yourself a favor, download this form, share it with your friends, colleagues, and pets, and be the supplier that always delivers for their customer.